Hey everybody, good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you hear one thing on hey, Nick background Carol. Carol making some mango sour, guys. She have some nice young mango and she add some pepper into it. And I'm gonna add some salt and sugar to this, and we're gonna add some garlic. Carol, you want jeera in it? You want to get a jeera taste?
What do you think? It tastes nice?
Yes, it tastes good.
Okay, go ahead.
So we're gonna add some salt to this mango here. It's like little green mango. Watch, see how the mango there, guys. This is a Carabac America. Nice mango. We're gonna add some sugar. So we have, yeah, baby. So we have salt, sugar, and we're gonna add some garlic to this, right?
Put this a little bit to me, don't peel the rest.
Okay, add in garlic. Bust it into, Carol, so you can boil even.
Okay, alright, so I'm gonna do the rest into. Like this?
No, the middle.
Middle?
You're gonna make sure you put pepper.
Me touch you so that a little bit. You
You
want to
don't
put
know
more?
how he did. You look good though. You add in your jeera.
I think we should lower the fire because me don't peel all the garlic. Lower the fire, yeah. And then we just swizzle it up.
You're gonna melt away young mango. You're gonna swizzle this.
Okay.
Yeah, add some jeera in this. Or you know what? Add the jeera when everything done boil up. So this is the mango sour here. So guys, this is how the mango sour is looking. We're gonna add some jeera. A little bit of jeera inside. Jeera give it like a nice taste. Give it a nicer. I'm gonna let this boil more. Right? So this is how we go to the US, guys. You want to wear the seed like that? You can take it out now.
No, me want the
Melt away.
swizzle up.
Okay, so like soft.
Yeah, let me try for.
You gonna get that thing that dal got thing.
I'll swizzle it up.
Really boil.
Yeah.
All the peppers.
All the pepper go
You
swizzle
taste
up.
it?
No, I'm gonna taste it yet. You want to taste me like me get winter fresh in my mouth.
Bun me hand ras. Ah!
Suck right there.
How would you feel if somebody did that to you?
Do what?
It tastes good, Carl.
Bun.
It tastes good.
Nice.
You sound like a ras though. You got a little more sugar.
So here now, when I go, I could always add cucumber.
No, it's okay.
Oh.
It's okay. I saw what you name, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So guys, we're gonna make some cow milk pera, and we're gonna show you how we put together that, right?
Yes.
So
Yes,
let this sour cook, and then we'll come back.
People
to
say that I can't cook. I did most of the pepper. You should
Should
over
do
here.
the she just throw water. She throw water on the mango and the garlic. She did half of it, and I did the rest. I just salt and sugar, Carol, and a little jeera. Next time you're gonna know. Yeah, your bottle ain't full of mint.
Yeah, we
When it-
swizzle it up first when anything,
I'll
and
freeze them and
that is it.
back to America with some. What you eat out with though?
Fried china, plantain chip.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah. Bust the pepper and so. Like, you want them take just take off the stuff or more take?
Yeah, take them off.
This one. Bust up the pepper and so.
You smell that pepper?
The seed not gonna melt away, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it remember it tough now.
I like to succeed.
You succeed in life.
Succeed in life. I'm not sure my...
I remember going to school, you want a young seed for bite, you know, with a planting and so. I planted too.
I used to suck the seed till it dry. And dip them in the soil.
And now you can eat that, like me can eat them things that like when we used to eat. You eat chana and then buy the back tip and eat the chana with it. Now me can't do that, you know. You say people touch the bag, you know, realize when you smell, me get there with all the germs.
Yeah. That's the olive and pepper thing. That is it.
So guys, this is how the sour is looking. I finish cooking up there. Carl add some vinegar inside for cure it so it can stay long. Young mango. Okay, time for make we pera now.
That is it.
To make some cold milk pera. I said make. Tim, so we got some cold milk here. We have some white sugar. We have almond essence, nutmeg, and 2 packs of foreign leaf. I think we will use 1.5 pack only. Right? So we're gonna light the stove and put we milk for like boil so you can get a little thick. When they start getting a little thick, we're gonna add in our sugar, nutmeg, and essence. Then we're gonna mix everything together. When they get a little thicker, then we're gonna start adding we foreign leaf and mix and mix and mix. Keep on mixing, right? So we're gonna put on we this is my first time trying this, hey guys. I don't know how to make it. So practice make perfect, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna try. Take a long spoon. We done make our as you see earlier we make some sour, some mango sour. So we're gonna add in the milk, the cow milk. We're gonna let the cow milk. Well, we gotta add in the sugar and stuff with it. We got hot first and then we add in the sugar and let it start boil. This will go back America.
On the bed head.
On the bed head. Milk here, we're gonna let it boil. You don't want it to run over, right? So you gotta keep on checking on this here.
Turn up everything? You just mix in a little bit?
Yeah. Sure, you gotta get sweet.
Let me mix for you, Bridget.
And sugar do it. It's gonna be a sweet, sweet pera.
That's how we like it. I want a pera night. Let me get my sweet tooth. This is sold out. You can see quick this go down.
7 more cards I got because I got 7 cards. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
There you go. There, mix some more.
So we gotta let this get thick. When it start get thick, we gotta throw the milk.
Okay. The powder milk.
Yeah, the powder milk.
No, you're not.
So we can mix it all day?
No. We're gonna mix it all there. Just like cook. But we don't want it bun, so yeah, turn them from not bunning. Here, from the edge, isn't it?
Hold on. We were good. But look, you gotta check this.
You should have bought some seasoning in the market to blend up here. Find each time, Marma. Or you get sometimes.
No, we try down to say you can do it for me.
Okay.
So that let's walk.
Okay.
Me ask me for some married man seed. Because we not get it there. Married man cousin you get.
You get some basil.
Yeah.
Basil.
But you tell me that's not
No. Marma, leaf finer. Basil brad.
Yep.
A little brad.
guys, this is rich cow milk.
So we add in the nutmeg now, guys. And nutmeg cook between the
The whole thing?
we got average, just great. Alright.
More?
No, this is okay.
Put a little more.
I'll put the whole thing on done.
That is it.
You run over now.
Where's the load of fire? Take him out, take out the fire.
Yeah, put it on low heat.
Mm-hmm. So the nutmeg is in there.
We gotta add some essence here. So after 3 hours of turning this thing here, this thing not go down.
Check, let us see my muscles there.
Carl get arms all kind of thing here work out. So Carl there by the stove here sitting down watching this thing just see don't run over, you know. Nasty this stove. Anyway, you got you got go down till it turn a little thick. We add in some essence in it and the milk.
And the thing will make great.
We great. We don't throw it in already.
That way call again.
Nutmeg, yeah.
And the nutmeg, yeah.
We don't
And
add
just
it.
the
Just the milk and the
yeah.
essence are going sugar and the. So this gonna get a little thick. And then we don't add it, right?
Thank God for this spoon, right?
Them black thing with it float inside is nutmeg.
Yeah, guys.
No nutmeg, guys. So you know with that. You see? Carl had to get a banks because this is too much work for you. You gotta sit down and eat all day weighing on your egg. Fudge. So we up on this thing turning and care don't get.
Yeah.
This thing got a lot of turning to do by.
So how you had it, Bonnie?
You gotta thick, you gotta get thick. You gotta go down till you get thick. But the reason why you turn it, you don't want it to run over, you don't want it to start burning the edging. You see the edging them there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
After 10 hours.
After 10 hours, it's getting thick, guys. It's finally getting thick. So we want a little more thick, and then we start adding we powder milk inside. So we're getting thick there. So guys, this is the consistency we want, thick. So we can start adding milk powder to this and keep turning, right? So now it's thick. We're gonna add powder milk. Mix, Carl. Keep mixing. Mix.
What's in here splat?
You're catching the edge and Carl. Mix, Carl, mix. You got your man hand for this, you know? So we're gonna add some more milk in it.
Add the milk. The sweeter the better. You want to lower the fire?
Get up low. No worry, never burn. That's not gonna help you.
Okay, we're taking turn to mix this pera. Come, Auntie can open it for you.
Come.
Mommy?
Yeah.
Open.
Turning, guys. Carl turning. She knows she get more muscle. Is that white to come, Carl? If you want it brown, you add the brown sugar.
Yeah, I want to know. I like it white. I like it like I like my man, white. So you think we're just gonna make it cool now? Or we gotta mix
we gotta roll it off,
yeah,
right?
when it's cool.
Yeah.
So this done?
No, yeah, that's done. So guys, this is how our pera looking. We gotta roll it off now, right? Wrung it out. We gotta move fast because we get hard.
Come on, he missed it kind of here.
So guys, we're gonna wet we hand a little, And we are gonna take like we gotta move fast because it's get hot, right? We take a little, roll it up. We got to be perfect brown. Oh, hot.
Ow.
Yes. You got to be perfect because it's hot, right? And it's getting cold and hard. Make sure you wet your hand, Carl, because
You gotta keep wetting it?
yeah. So you're not gonna paste by your hand when you're going, right?
Is we making?
Pera.
Here, it's just supposed to be big. I don't know.
You don't want it too big.
No.
Should we bring a big plate for me, now, baby?
What are the little?
Oh dear, bring one and a little one.
There's a
Pera.
If this thing falls, then it's sweet. No, just stays like you. Where?
How much later you gonna ask you, right?
Yeah, that don't make no sense.
Yeah, baby. Go with brother then. Go with brother then, baby. Carl, we got
You guys can watch her, please.
Yeah. Titanic.
Any fast or whatever thing that is it. We can go faster on the.
Once you wet your hand, right?
Yeah, I will.
What do you do with these things after you're finished?
You want wet you want?
What do you do with these things after
You
you're
can use
finished?
some ghee and so.
Like how to make it? I how to make it?
Yeah. That's my phone.
You come out nice.
Mm-hmm.
When he dry, you get
To me, like when it dry, it's not easier to. When it cool, to,
no, you get dry out in the pot
oh,
and you got hard
I
for-
gotta be able to fold it.
No. It's got one stamp itself. People is stamp it
Mm-hmm.
with a flower stamp, like a flower on it.
You know, if you do this, like you practice, it could be better. You know me. I'm gonna say me. Anything you
Practice
do,
me for
you
me. First
perfect.
time
Yeah.
I'm making this.
Yeah.
First time I'm making it. I don't know how to make it. So you try and you try and
Yes, I'm a favorite. You know that. Me buy some. Me yeah.
yeah, baby.
Yeah.
You
She
trying
does
to
she
lock it up in
baby.
here, sir? You see what I'm saying?
Mean, the mean.
You want juice? Look at the heat, watch. Look at juices here. You want juice with chocolate? You see, watch. I'm sure this one is stiff already before it's on here.
Mm-hmm.
And gummy. And gooey.
Mm-hmm.
You know which part stays back nice?
The end piece, the sticky piece.
Yeah. Hmm?
Me hand. Here, go for it.
So you got wet your hand. If you don't wet your hand, yes, you feel out your face for your car.
Yeah, correct.
What else sugar we could give you?
Look how good.
Go.
Yeah, it's a shivo.
Brother sugar. You want juice? Look. Here you go. Go see sugar. Go. Go see sugar. Go. Tell sugar what you want.
This was a lot, you know. Good stuff we make it.
What was it like that?
Yeah, we pull out.
So this is how we looking so far, guys. We still getting there. So if you want it browner, you would add brown sugar, or you would let the bottom burn.
Oh, you want it white.
And you see, if Carl want it dry, he now give you a good smooth finish. You notice?
Yeah, like before.
So this one is gonna move fast. Oh, we're picking up amazing good, you know.
Practice makes perfect.
Yeah.
This is the first time. This is a trial, first attempt
And it come out good like
for
that.
both of us.
Yeah.
So,
May not depend for nobody for me. I don't know. And you will know
yeah,
too.
that is it.
Yeah. Because every time I gotta get something, I gotta ask people. I don't want to ask people now, but this is a new year. I tell my husband, I'm doing everything on my own. The only person that asks him to make something, my mommy, to make a roti.
Yeah.
Because she's making nice a roti.
I mean, I cared Shiba when she came by me because she was sick. The cold I had, she bad.
Yeah. She's making roti with me.
She's making nice roti. Bonnie's mom.
The bottom set hot still. Oh God, again, mommy.
You're training hard for mommy.
One guy holding my ears there. The other one says she will do this, and then the other one cry for Bobo. And then she will say, me, when you get me involved in this business, because he's don't say, don't get me involved. And she will say, you got plenty right to get involved, because you do your thing and stay easy. Make sure you wet your hands so the thing is
Yeah, because your hand sticks on it.
yeah. Or you can use some ghee. People use ghee. We use it old time fashion, you know?
Poor people metal.
Yeah. And this is original cow milk here.
Yeah. We get the cow milk from Leguan, the island.
Oh, they come from the gun? Oh, that's real original farming. We're not mixing it with water. Put some of the edging on the Carol. That's it. Put some on the plate, edging so hold up.
Yeah,
And you
yeah.
just want it dry. Like
Yeah.
The small amount on there, press. Very circle.
Yeah, we wanted the
Happy.
in the middle. When I grew up, I used to buy pear from people back in the days, and I remember to stick the finger in the middle. And the sweetest part of this thing is the bottom, the end. The end that stays the best.
The bun.
Bun.
So this is how it's looking. It's going straight to America, guys. I'm going to sell a Liberty.
Yeah, Liberty Ave.
If you want plating, you can use it for the rest.
So when you get, if you don't work fast enough, and the end part it look ugly, but nevertheless,
It is good as it is.
yeah, we're not professionals.
Is it hard to get what?
Yeah,
You know, get stiff by gooey.
that's what you want it to. But I'm saying like these, the
Yeah.
last set is
Then
hard
the
to
bun one,
turn.
you know, the bun on it is the nicest.
Anybody ever a bun that stays good?
Bun that stays good.
Bun that's hot.
You know, some bun is left you traumatized.
As a bit any bunny done.
So we make cow milk tea right here. And so guys, this is my lovely cow milk pera. Let me show you guys how it's looking. This is our lovely cow milk pera here. We have some nice cow milk pera. We make from scratch. You guys can check out the recipe. Let me taste one for y'all. So this is a cow milk pera, and it's really gooey. It got dry. Wow, it is really good. But your Carol dig up the hair, make sure all bits come out. Carol said all got come, none to waste. So guys, well, Tukul supposed to send out a birthday greetings to someone, but he did not get to make a video as yet, so I'm gonna do the shout out. So happy birthday, Ryan. This greetings is coming from your mom, Shivani. Your birthday was the 18th of February, and Tukul didn't get a chance to post any videos, so he didn't get a chance to big you up. So happy belated birthday, Ryan, from your mom, Shivani. I hope you had a wonderful birthday and lots to eat and drink. So guys, I hope you guys try this recipe and tell me back in the comment section how it is, right? Guys, we done make pera. We're gonna cook a pot of kitchri. Some fried fish now. So I'm gonna prepare that. I'm gonna show you guys. We're doing some dal kitchri. So I got the dal boiling here. I'm not touching the dal with the rice. Normally I do that, but today we want a wet cook up, a wet kitchri, right? So this is what I want. So we're gonna boil this with a little salt, like 2 minutes. Then we're gonna start adding coconut milk, with seasoning and everything. 1 pot of kitchri. We got we seasoning here, fine leaf thyme, marmot pork. We got some ground garlic, pepper. We got shallot and onion, and we got the coconut milk here. We got some Netley seasoning and went in the fridge, so I put it for towels. We got bhaji is a must. So guys, this is how the kitchri looking. So we throw in the seasoning, and with pepper. Now adding some pack seasoning to this here now, coconut milk, and with rice and so. So we add some pack seasoning. We got add some butter in this. Grind up seasoning, everything in here, right? So guys, this is how our kitchri look here. We add the coconut milk with pepper and everything. So we're gonna let everything boil together now. And we want it wet, so this is why I add a lot of water to it, right? So we'll check back on this. So this is how we're looking, guys. Nice dal kitchri. Everything to boil, right? We got some mango achar for this here. And got some nice fried Netley. We kitchri looking. I want it wet, so I'll make sure you get enough water. We have carrot, bhaji, dal. Normally what I do is pudge the rice with the dal and chunk it and so on. But we're doing it a different style, right? This is the old tradition way. We're doing it. I got some mango achar here. And I got some Netley. I got fry. And I'll go with this. So we're gonna add this in the kitchri, guys, some corn mutton. I'm gonna add this inside and give the kitchri more flavor. You got more?
Yeah, only one.
So we put the thin corn mutton inside. Chef, tell me I got more corn mutton inside. I put one more inside. This will give the kitchri like a nice muttony taste. So we want this kitchri wet, right? So we're gonna take it out now. We'll let the corn mutton cook a little and then we're gonna take it out. Then on slow cook. There you go, guys. I love the green tin corn mutton. When I go to New York, I was buy like 12 to 24 tin, and as keep it always. So this finished, guys. So this we're gonna take down. I'm gonna fry with egg. Here me egg and out. We're gonna fry with fish, and we boil some egg for the kids. I'm gonna fry minutely.
Doesn't matter which one or any video.
We got we netly frying here and egg boiling.
Where you live? It's late and you're hungry. Bye. We drink cold beer, man.
Yeah. So guys, this is how the fish is looking. We got some more frying. We got the egg boiling away. Check out Carol plate here.
Look, you got some
You got mango achar in the fridge.
oh, let me get a little of that.
So you got the mango achar there.
On this side, mango, yellow pepper, paper pepper. Time to eat. Don't bother me, guys.
Guys, I want to send out some thank you to the people who ordered some stuff off of the baby registry. I want to thank you guys so much for all the support you guys been giving me and to Cool for the new baby on the way. So Dawn, thank you so much for the gift you sent through the baby registry. Shamiza Rizak, guys, some of y'all name, if I didn't pronounce it right, sorry about that. Farana Hassan, thank you so much. David Bagundin, thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for all the support on the baby registry. And if you guys want to get anything off for the registry for the baby, the link will be in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And you guys take care. Bye everybody.